Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In the next day, that is tomorrow, there will be a full solar eclipse, the last solar eclipse of this year. And the second important thing is that new moon will be there. So I would request all of you who are really looking forward to achieve something in this time frame, that is on the full solar eclipse and a new moon is waiting, try to do this powerful work, something powerful today or tomorrow. This will make sure that your partner, your relationship is gonna come to you. As the title of the video suggests, on full moon, that is on new moon day and solar eclipse, do this, she will be yours permanently. People who have tried a lot of different things, who could not get the results, you just need to get a piece of garlic. As you can see, I have got a piece of garlic with me and a red color marker. Remember, dear brothers and sisters, on 4th of December, there is solar eclipse. On 3rd of December, there will be new moon. So around these 7 days, from 3rd of December to 10th of December 2020, for only 7 days, this work is gonna work, otherwise it will not work. So people who really want to get the results and they want to really see the miraculous things of solar eclipse and the new moon, how this phenomenal combination can change the complete thinking about your perspective, can change the relationship, can change a lot of things, then definitely you must try to do this thing. I'm repeating it one more time. In Antarctica, there will be complete solar eclipse and a new moon is gonna come on 3rd of December. For 7 days continuously you can do this. You want to write down first of all what you really want. I want finances, I will write finances, abundance. If I want to get love back, I will write love back. I want to destroy enemy, I will write destruction of enemy. I want to move to a different country, I will write down immigration. I want to achieve good health, I will write down good health. Whatever your purpose it is, in whichever area you are extremely distressed and stressed out, what will you do? You will take out all the pieces of this garlic. I'm gonna take out one. How I'm gonna take out? Once you've written the desire, once you've written what you really want, as I have taken this, right, again I am gonna write down my wish here, the same wish. Remember, dear brothers and sisters, the same wish, I'm gonna write it here again, love back. I cannot change it. So you will take out all the pieces of this garlic, will divide them into 2 equal parts. You need to divide them into 2 equal parts. Suppose there are 2, although there will be more than 5 to 7. So 3 you will put one side, 4 you will put one side, or 4 you will put one side, 4 you will put different side. After that, what will you do? The half of the pieces of this garlic you are going to throw towards the sun. Make sure that your eyes are covered with the glasses. If your eyes are not covered with the glasses, it will not work. Your eyes are covered with the glasses. You will throw one piece towards sun and thinking that give me positivity, give me positive news, give me positive love. Pray to the universe, pray to Almighty to give you everything. So these 4 pieces or 5 pieces or 6 pieces, whatever they are gonna come, you will be throwing them towards the sun. Rest, the 4 which are gonna be here, you will be throwing towards the new moon. Again, at this point of time, your eyes should not be covered. While throwing in the daytime, the eyes should be covered. While throwing in the night time, the eyes should not be covered with the glasses or goggles or whatever you call spectacles. If you have done it, the conjunction of sun, earth and moon is gonna create such sort of energy that you won't be able to understand how things have miraculously changed, how things have really went great, not well, great, and how the things are extremely positive. If you need any support regarding this video, regarding this work, you can call us on the number which is there on your screen. We will be there to answer all your queries. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.